Hi, Dinky. Thanks for joining in.
Hi, Minu. Sorry, it's very noisy. I'm with the kids, so I'll not be able to participate, but I'm here. Yeah.
But just feel free if you have any questions during the session. I mean, she will be talking to everybody in general also. So
Sure.
any questions, just feel free to unmute and speak to her. Today's session is for all of you. It's not for me, it's for you people. So just take the benefit of it.
Dinky, it will be very great if you could join and talk to us. Just talk, don't switch on your videos and ask me anything you want to ask. I'm here to help and I'm happy to help.
Saroji, we can start actually. Let others join. Jitne join karte rahenge, karenge. We already have 5 with us, 4, 5 with us. And let people join. Jo karte hain beech mein, theek hai, you can start. So today, viewers, please, hamare saath today we have Counselor Saroj Agarwal with us. She's there with us for another 1 hour. Feel free to speak to her about your journey. What were your experiences? Where you find it difficult? Any hindrances in any aspect of life? Speak to her. So Anuja has also joined.
So let me introduce myself. I'm Saroja Agarwal from Calcutta, and I'm a psychological counselor. I'm a motivational speaker and a life skills coach. I have been a school counselor for a year, and right now I'm practicing on my own. I have my own institute called Man Ki Baat, A Journey Within. It is available online, and we take up deliberations, we do panel discussions, we take up workshops, we teach and psycho-educate people for their life skills and whatever their needs are. We are specialized in marital counseling, premarital counseling, young adults counseling. Talk about counseling and Man Ki Baat is there. So a little introduction about each one of you. Komalji and Rajeshji, let's start with you.
Hi, I'm a housewife. We are settled in Singapore and I have 2 children. One is a 14-year-old boy and a 7-year-old girl. And prior to, being a housewife, I was very active in the corporate world, in the banking sector. And I think post the kids coming, I took a little backseat because I wanted one of us to be there with the children.
Yeah, absolutely. Same goes with me.
But you're still working very actively, helping others as well.
Yes, but I started my journey very late in my life, just 5-6 years ago.
Oh.
Till then, I was with my children. Yes. And Rajeshji, a little introduction about yourself.
Sure. So, I think Komal covered most of the part. So, I work in the banking sector, mainly in the technology. I think we moved to Singapore almost 13 years back. Prior to COVID was quite a hectic travel life. Used to be like catching flights every day. A boon, due to COVID that working from home for last 18 months plus. And I think, it's been an exciting journey. I think last 2 months with Minuji and, trying to, change the way we diet and move around, a different perspective of life. It's enjoyable so far.
So you used a wonderful term, new perspective to life, right?
Yeah.
So does this program that you are involved in right now with me, has this given a new perspective of life, which is positive in your current situation?
That's correct. Because actually what happened was, COVID has changed the routine, we all are following. And in fact, I'll talk specifically about us. So fairly active life, health, body was always secondary. Other things were primary. I think this COVID has taught us quite a lot. I think initially it was more of playful enjoy that, you don't have to travel. But slowly we started realizing that, health should also be, one of the primary focus areas. I think our food habits, we were always under the impression that, why we are gaining weight, where we were always eating in quantity. And I think the insight which came up was, though we are eating, but I think our calorie intake was more than, what we need.
Hmm.
That actually gave a perspective. Some of the new things which we never tried before, we are trying now. We know there are options or alternatives, which is a good perspective. At least it makes you feel better. It makes you feel lighter. Um, like I used to hardly play any sports, so started playing badminton. I used to go for regular walks. I think it became more, with this program. So that way, I would say, yeah, it's changing the thought process slowly and steadily.
So that's a very nice perspective, and it's nice to hear that yes, things are changing.
Yeah.
Right? Shanti ji, अब आप बताइए. A little introduction about you.
1 minute.
So जब तक हम लोग वेट कर रहे हैं शांति जी का, अनुजा जी,
हाँ।
लेट्स टॉक. अच्छा ठीक है, शांति जी प्लीज.
हाँ, मैं हाउसवाइफ हूँ, कलकत्ता में रहती हूँ.
अच्छा.
2 बच्चे हैं मेरे. एक 25 साल का लड़का है, एक 19 ईयर की लड़की है.
आपकी जर्नी के बारे में.
मीनू के साथ.
मीनू के साथ जनरल जर्नी.
हाँ, वैसे तो अच्छी है. मीनू के साथ बहुत अच्छी है, क्योंकि खाते हैं पर ये नहीं पता था कि क्या खाना है क्या नहीं खाना है. अब वो सब थोड़ा पता होता है, तो अपने आप को कंट्रोल करके उसको
ओवरकम कर लो.
हाँ, पहले लिमिट थी, पर पहले क्या थोड़ा ऑयल ज्यादा डालते थे, या मतलब सोचते नहीं थे खाने के लिए कि ठीक है खाया. अब थोड़ा उसके बारे में पता है, तो थोड़ा देख के सोच के खाते हैं.
Wow, that's nice. That's nice. Even I need to lose a lot of weight. तो आप लोगों से मुझे भी कुछ टिप्स मिलेंगे कि हाँ ये करना चाहिए.
नहीं, मेरा वेट तो ज्यादा लूज नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि मैं एक 1 मंथ एंड 10 डेज हुआ था, मैं गिर गई तो मेरा फ्रैक्चर हो गया था हाथ. तो वेट तो कम नहीं हुआ, पर ठीक है, मेरे को बॉडी में हल्कापन लग रहा है, अच्छा लग रहा है, फीलिंग गुड.
आपकी जर्नी तो स्टार्ट हुई ना.
जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई.
हाँ, तो एंड रिजल्ट भी आएगा. जब आपकी जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई,
Satu kali
एंड
lagi.
रिजल्ट भी आएगा.
Ya. Dan tengok. Udah dan ini nanti mau.
अनुजा जी, आप let's hear from you.
Then stop.
Yeah,
dulu.
hello.
Eh.
There's some background voice. Yeah, myself, I'm Anuja. I'm currently situated in Mumbai. So I'm a chartered accountant by profession. So currently in the COVID time, I'm doing freelancing job in Calcutta. वैसे I have my roots in Calcutta.
Oh, wow,
So
that's nice.
so that is how it was. And when it comes to food, because this is the very basis of our topic today, I always believe in this thing. I was always very conscious and careful about my food, but I do not know, maybe because of the age criteria or the hormonal imbalance, that I have started putting on weight. But otherwise, I always go by the mantra that you are what you eat, because I always believe in that. And being spiritual, I also believe that as it's food for the soul, it's food for the body, which again is very, very important. So mere liye khana is not just for shedding weight, it's also for keeping my other energies refined. I think your food intake, jitna hum log gravy and all that dense, thick energy, prana and all that, I believe in that. So that is very important. So yes, but this journey with has again like knocked off, and now I'm again more conscious, though I was always conscious. But yes, maybe you get into those guilt trips, aap kha lete ho kuch hai to, but now when you are into like in a more disciplined thing, so I think that is working little bit, and I hope to excel better. And at least that consciousness is there, that what can be the replacements. A consciousness aa gayi hai that that if you want to eat something, this is how you can replace, and you can avoid eating the heavier stuff.
So basically, we work on our lifestyles, right?
Yes,
To curb
it's basically
everything,
adapting to new lifestyle, and then it
Absolutely.
becomes a part of you, and it becomes very effortless in the due course of time.
Yes.
Yes.
And very rightly said, it becomes a part of you when you've inculcated that habit, right? Vanshika ji, a little about yourself.
Vanshika is my dietitian, so just leave her. Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Geeta ji, what about you?
so Geeta has just joined. I just give her. Yeah, Geeta.
Hi, everyone.
So Geeta, just a brief introduction about Saroji. Saroji is our counselor today. She is taking the call with everybody, one after another. So it's your turn. Saroji, what you want to hear from her, just repeat so that she knows.
Yes, I just want a little introduction before I start and we go into the depths of the session.
Hi, everyone. This is Geeta from Singapore. I think my motivation, I would say, is Minu, always been a very good dear friend of mine before a dietitian. She has always recommended me to go on a healthier option. And thanks to her, because of her, I have taken this challenge of taking a healthier diet, and within 2 months I have lost like 6 kilos. So
Wow.
I'm very grateful to her. I always want
That's
to shut
excellent.
down, but I cannot kind of stop. So she has always been motivating me. So thanks to Minu and Shampa also. Both of them has really worked hard. to get this done.
We want to see even more better results, Geeta. So
Definitely.
journey has not
I'm-
ended; it is just started.
Yes.
Absolutely, absolutely. I'm working on it.
And Geeta ji, it's excellent to hear that you're working so hard and you're getting the results. That's absolutely fabulous. Maya ji, a
Absolutely.
little introduction about yourself.
Maya ji, just unmute Maya.
I think she's.
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you, Maya
Hello.
ji. Yeah,
Hi. How are you?
very fine. How are you?
I'm good. I'm from Singapore. And I started this journey with Minu just I think about 2 months ago, coming to 3 months. Yeah.
That's nice.
And I found a lot of difference in what I'm putting in now. I'm more careful. So yeah, it's been good so far.
Nice, very nice. So my first question is, since you people all have joined for a weight loss program and you people are progressing, right? So were there any issues which you faced in your journey which you've overcome or you want to overcome, which you can talk to me about and I can help you overcome it? One by one, anyone can mute and start.
Okay, my problem is more on constipation.
So that
I
I will
can't-
discuss. That's Maya. That's my forte. That
Yeah.
I will take. She is there to counsel us for any stress element if you are going through.
Facing, yes.
Oh,
I'm a
okay.
psychological
Anxiety
counselor.
or any other issues which is hindering you from achieving your goals or following the proper discipline, then please tell her.
Oh, okay. Can. Yeah.
I want to put something here. Stress is also one of the reasons for which constipation occurs. So if you are having a constant constipation, please reflect and see where your triggers are coming from. Where are you
Okay.
facing some stress that is making this constipation a continuous process? So you can just reflect on that also. Otherwise,
Okay.
our expert is there with us, and I know she is there too. She's much more capable of that issue. But yes, stress does
Okay.
affect constipation also. It is one of the biggest causes. So just
Saroji,
take
one
your time.
question.
Yes, please.
If you say that you should try to reduce the stress in your life,
Yes.
like even for a working person like my husband, I see
Yes.
late working hours and working on weekends as well.
Mm.
How can you actually reduce that stress?
See, first of all, it is our choice कि हम लोगों को कैसे stress कितना काम करना है, right? Secondly, sometimes it becomes necessity to work. Office hours हमारा working hours ऐसे होते हैं कि हम लोगों को extra load cover up करने के लिए we need to work in the weekends also, right? But if you have that plan in you, if you have that discipline in you, if you have that small tips that I can give is, you need to take breaks between hard works. आपका बहुत long hours है, तो if it is tiring you out, take 15 minutes break, go for a coffee, go to the coffee table, chat for a few people there and come back and again sit. Number one. Number two is you can always prioritize your work according to the day schedule, right? This is the utmost important to me. So let me write it down first. Let me finish that first and then I'll go. If we have too much load on our head, it ends up on having stresses, right? So when this stress comes upon, then we need to prioritize our work. कि ठीक है, मैं इतने टाइम में ये काम फिनिश करके ही I will go and look into the other work. Third is, whenever we have lots of stress coming up, we need to have those relaxation exercises done, which we call progressive muscle relaxations. Between work schedules, it takes just 5 to 7 minutes to do it. So, when those progressive muscle exercises are being done after, suppose around 4 times a day, or wherever that stress is enforcing on you and you're feeling all your muscles getting tightened and your mind getting, blockages are coming, and then you need to do those muscle exercises. So when you do those progressive muscle exercises, you can do it sitting on the chair also, and it hardly takes 5 to 7 minutes. 7 minutes to the maximum. And it gives you immediate relaxation.
So would you be able to cover the exercises and all in the session?
Yes, why not? If everybody is interested, I can do it. I can do it at the end of it after everybody is covered, and I can finish the session by those progressive muscle exercises, which will be beneficial for everybody. I, being a professional counselor, even I practice those when I go into that stress mode. And it actually relaxes the muscles. And as soon as your muscles are relaxed, those, I'm sure Meenu will be able to agree, there are certain hormones which are released into the bloodstream, which brings down the stresses. Right, Meenu?
Absolutely, absolutely. Am I audible? Yeah. Yes.
Yes, you are. Huh.
Like I think from the start of COVID till now, I would have gained 10 kgs weight from last year. And I think, quite a bit of it, I think, is due to stress as well for me as well. So when I see the kids and, work from home being done by my hubby, then the kids schooling from home, it becomes really difficult sometimes to manage.
Absolutely.
So as a, I realized that through last year that I was stressed. And so at the start of this year, I started doing yoga regularly. So then that has helped me to reduce my stress, yoga, meditation, and pranayama.
Absolutely.
So that I felt has, reduced the stress a little bit. But still, I feel that probably my weight gain, a main reason could be the stress that I'm undergoing.
See, stress alone cannot be the factor for weight gain. Stress is a factor for weight gain. So if you want to understand the reasons for weight gain, you need to focus on stress ke alawa, what have I done? Sometimes when we are into the stress mode, we go into the habit of binge eating also. Bina soche samjhe aisa cheez kha liya, we were not mindful of what we were eating. So even that leads to this, and we are not even aware that we've eaten. And jab COVID is a phase which has changed everybody's lifestyle. Negative in the beginning of the phase, and now everybody's turning towards the positive aspect after realizing the value of many things which they were not aware of before COVID, right? So COVID ke starting mein, when lifestyle has changed so tremendously, everybody has got into the stress, anxiety, depression, loneliness, the fear of losing their near and dear ones. There were so many mental issues that each person was facing. There was hardly anyone who was happy in these times. Right? And when we go into the stress moods, we lose the capability of focusing on things. Our mind goes bizarre. Ab main kya karu? Because the future is uncertain. And hearing so many negative news every time is putting us into stress. But it was very good that you started with yoga, you started with pranayama, you started with meditation. These things include lots of chemicals in your blood, that reduces the stress. Long term of this gives a long effect, but counseling helps in these terms. One-to-one counseling certainly helps in these terms because we teach you life skills. We psycho-educate you on how to keep yourself relaxed for that particular time when the stresses are coming. And see, we all feel stress is a negative emotion. No, stress is also positive. Sometimes stress is so positive that it helps us to work harder. For you, like Komalji, you said that you felt that stress was the result of your, because of stress, you went into this weight gain program, right? You started gaining weight. But what I feel is that stress even motivated you to join yoga. Because you were stressed, कि अरे मेरा weight gain हो रहा है, अरे मेरा weight gain हो रहा है. What to do about it? So that stress pushed you into joining yoga and meditation. So for you, stress was also positive. It might have been negative in the beginning. Right. So सबसे पहले stress को combat करने के लिए we need to understand the triggers. What are the triggers? Why are we feeling stressed? And I'm not sure whether all of us present here are aware. हम लोगों का mind plays a lot of games. Our mind is the villain in our body, as we counselors call it. Like films में villains होते हैं. वैसे हमारे mind का villain, हमारे body का villain is our mind. So our mind always has a pleasurable instinct in it. It always wants to have pleasure. Rest करो, आराम करो. It doesn't want us to just work hard on ourselves. And so does our thoughts. Our thoughts control our emotions. Our thoughts control our behaviors. If we are feeling very happy that day, we'll do productive things that way. If we are feeling very sad that day, we will do negative things, and every negative aspect of every person, every job will come into our mind. So we have to focus on what is triggering our stresses when we go into the spell of stress. When we get this clarity कि हाँ आज ये incident हुआ which is putting me into stress, या फिर आज ऐसा कुछ हुआ है that is stressing me out, or something that I'm thinking of कि ये होने वाला है कल, that is stressing me out. If we start finding the triggers for the stress, we will be able to combat our stress very easily. There are solutions for it. There are ways to do it. Am I clear about stress?
Sarojji, could you just tell to deal with this stress and to have a very peaceful, a very mindful way of life? Like, what are the lifestyle things which we should have, like early sleeping, and like what are the key points? Like this is which constitutes for a a good healthy lifestyle, a disciplined life.
A disciplined life. See, particularly each one to its own. Actually. But हम लोगों के शास्त्रों में या हम लोगों के लाइफ में ये लिखा है कि there are certain rules, there are certain disciplines that if we follow, our life will be easier. Number one is always to have a simple mind. हम लोग इतनी चीजों में घुस जाते हैं that we always have a complex mind. Our mind is running here, there, skelter. We don't have a disciplined mind. We have a very confused mind. So we need to just say, there is a theory called minimization right now. Everybody is going into this theory. चार जोड़ी कपड़ा रखो, उसको खूब enjoy करो. And when they fit, we go for the next one instead of stuffing the almirahs with all the clothes, stuffing the almirahs with the books, jewelry, whatever. Minimum रखो, right? Similarly, mind may keep limited thoughts. There are boundaries to be made which keeps your relationships very healthy. We don't know how to make boundaries. We don't know what boundaries are. We don't know what are the effects of boundaries. हम लोगों को कभी बचपन से सिखाया ही नहीं गया है how to make a boundary and how to stand up for yourself and how to say a no जब जरूरत होती है. That makes our lives very complex. People pleasing. We go into this acts of pleasing everybody. We want to be in good books of everybody. सब हमको बोले आई एम अ वेरी गुड पर्सन, सरोज बहुत अच्छी है, बट क्या रियलिस्टिकली सरोज सबकी बुक्स में अच्छी हो सकती है? नहीं हो सकती. But instead of prioritizing myself, I prioritize everybody else over myself just to keep others happy. Right? Sometimes we also go into the genre of doing things for other people which we don't like to do. Like suppose I have fixed a schedule and I have something very important to do this week, but my friend calls up and says, "Saro, chal na aaj ek mujhe बहुत जरूरी एक साड़ी खरीदनी है, तू चल." Just because what will my friend think मैं क्या करूंगी, मेरे साथ गई नहीं, and I will go into the back books. I just leave my schedule and I go for shopping with the feeling, the guilt कि मेरा काम पड़ा है. But I don't have that capability of saying no. कि आज नहीं कल चलते, आज मेरा काम शेड्यूल है. बट बहुत बार हम वो भी नहीं करते, स्पेशली विद आवर नियर एंड डियर वंस. मम्मी ने बोला है तो चलो, मम्मी बुरा मान जाएगी, या एनीबडी हु इज वेरी क्लोज टू अस. Just to keep them happy, we do things, and then we feel that guilt, that stress comes along कि अब मैं उस काम को कैसे करूं. That time has passed, which I had scheduled for it. So there are certain things we need to learn, certain skills which will make our lives very easy. And if we focus on those, mindfulness, to be mindful of how we are talking, communication skills, our pattern of communication, how do we communicate with other people? Do we actually communicate them in the right manner, in the right tone, using the right words? नहीं, हम लोग को जब गुस्सा आता है तब तो अनशन जो मन में आता है हम लोग बोल देते हैं, right? And then we actually regret it later on, right? Sleeping habits. Sometimes we are not even aware of our sleeping habits. रात में, especially the younger generation, they are partying, they are reading, they are working late till night till 2, 3, and they get up late in the night, which is actually bringing that imbalance in the biological clock of their bodies, right? The gadgets, the usage of these gadgets. 24 hours में से, I just want everybody to write on the chat वो लोग अपने gadgets पे कितनी देर रहते हैं.
And even if physically we are not, sometimes mentally we are so aligned. After every half an hour or after every 15 minutes, our eyes just pops onto our screen.
Absolutely.
If there is some new message or something has popped up.
Absolutely.
It's mentally taxing that we are involving our brain into that.
And when we are mindful of it, अरे बहुत देर से देख रहे थे, कितना rubbish था, सब कुछ कोई मतलब का ही नहीं था. Was anything productive in that? But no, it is becoming an addiction now. This is the new age addiction. This is a new age addiction. So, when we start focusing on how we are prioritizing our time, how are we managing our time, and how are we spending our time, those 24 hours जो हमारे पास एक दिन में होते हैं, उसमें मेरा productivity actually में कितने घंटे का होता है, and how can I much more practically and realistically invest my time in a much more healthier things, then life becomes very easy. See, I had this client coming to me. She used to talk to me about her husband. They were having some problems. 1 hour ka session mein 55 minutes was about her husband. Not 1 minute she spoke about herself. उसने ये किया, उसने ये किया, उसने ये बोला, उसने ये बोला, ये वो. Finished. Then I just told her कि आप counseling में किस लिए आए हो? What do you expect from this session? So she said, I actually want to think how can I be more restricted towards hearing about my husband. I said 55 minutes से आप क्या कर रहे थे? तो आपके mind में तो सिर्फ वही है ना. So you need to empty your mind from those things and focus on yourself instead. A small question to all of you. 5 strengths that you have about yourself. I want everybody to just talk about it one by one. 5 strengths or 5 positive points about yourself. Anuja ji, I can see you on my screen.
Please write all. सब कोई अपनी तरफ से अपने 5 strengths identify करके लिखो. Don't worry if it is wrong or right.
There's nothing wrong or right, according to
what
me.
What comes in your mind, just nobody is judging you. Nobody is judging anybody here.
I am the most non-judgmental person on this right now, so don't worry. This is a group which is not going to judge anybody. Just write down your 5
Once we have
strengths.
decided it's a free group, we will keep talking, discussing our problems, help sort out each other's issues. So
Absolutely.
Just whatever, कुछ भी जो पहला 5 चीज आता है कि I am good at, or I think I am strong at, or मेरे ये strengths है. which I
And
feel
one thing I would like to clarify, there is nothing right or nothing wrong in this world. It is all upon your perspective. Your perspective might be different than mine. My perspective might be different than Minu's. Minu's perspective might be different than anybody else's.
absolutely.
So what makes us say that I am right or you are wrong and you are right or I am wrong? Nobody is right and nobody is wrong. एक आदमी जो चोरी करता है अपनी आजीविका के लिए, अपने पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ही इज डूइंग करेक्ट, बिकॉज वो लोग अपने घर का खाना उसी से कमाई से खिला रहा है. हम लोगों के लिए वो गलत है. So it is all about perspective, right? Even if you don't want to share, most welcome, but just write down 5 strengths that you have. I'll just give you 5 minutes to do it.
I will say about myself. Do I start?
Yes, of course, most welcome.
Yeah. So first strength, more than my personal attribute or my personal quality, I think I find it a major source of strength is a very sound family background and good spiritual and religious, I mean to say the very foundation, so which I have got from my family. I find that is a very strong source of strength in whatever I do. That is my first strength, which I carry.
I'll interrupt here 1 minute. I want to, it's very good that you have had that kind of upbringing in your childhood. Wonderful. Very, very few people are blessed to have that. But I want to talk about your strengths.
Okay. So my strength is that, first of all, I'm a seeker. I always want to learn. I'm always open to new ideas and I'm always in the lookout of that. Second,
Absolutely.
I'm a sincere practitioner. After learning, I try to imbibe it and, do it. Third thing, which I find is integrity, in the sense that whatever I take up means loyalty and integrity is one thing which I find very important for me. And I also look into that for others. Fourth would be, I
would like to interrupt. I would like to interrupt here. You said integrity, that I like to imbibe and I like to
Yes.
look that from others too.
Yes, means that
So-
is what one thing appeals me, but yes, I cannot hope, means I cannot expect that too much, but
Yes.
that is one thing which resonates with me. I like people who carry a sense of integrity.
Absolutely.
And that is what I meant to say, and this is what I feel that I'm means I'm loyal towards that. Fourth, I can say is what do you call that honesty तो एक अलग चीज हो जाएगा, but yes, I'm very helpful, which I helpful in the sense, now don't think that I'm bragging about myself, but when it comes to the
Nobody will
extent it
think
happens,
anything.
to the extent it happens that I often tend to demean my near dear ones, because for me, I carry a very equal eye, so I do not take it, it's just my people, so I have to just take their side or something. So when it comes to my friend, to my community, to anyone, and obviously my near dear ones, so I have a very caring heart, which I feel that it affects me. It's not that I am not. And the fifth thing I can say is, yes, I'm emotional, yet practical also. So I find my being emotion a strong sense of, I don't take it as a negative, but I think that is positive.
Wonderful, wonderful, Anuja. Especially the emotional part, you brought it up very nicely, that emotional doesn't mean negative every time. Emotions are meant to be there. We are born with emotions. And emotions define us who we are. It's absolutely okay to cry. It's absolutely okay to get angry also. Anger is also not a negative emotion. हम लोग ये सब myths में जीते हैं कि anger is a negative emotion. Anger becomes negative only when you tend to hurt somebody through it. Otherwise, anger is an emotion, but everybody must learn to handle it. So emotions are always positive. And yes, when we go to the extremes of it, we start getting the negative reflections of that. And yes, we should learn to handle it. Very beautifully spoken, Anuja. And I'm very happy that you're so clear about your strengths.
Thank you.
Anybody else who would like to share, please?
Surya, you can also unmute. You have joined little later, but you can unmute if possible.
So Rajeshji's written learner, positive attitude, discipline, problem solver. Wow. Open to adapt and change. Absolutely open to adapt and change. And that is why you have joined Minu's program.
Yes.
Absolutely. Yes.
राजेश जी, लेकिन ये चेंजेस मुझे और विजिबल चाहिए, थोड़ी मेहनत और चाहिए.
हाँ.
आई होप आज के सेशन के बाद नींद थोड़ी बेटर आएगी और कोशिश करेंगे हम अच्छे टाइम से सोने की.
That's what my need is always better. But yes.
Look,
I can sleep anywhere, anytime.
Yeah. Saroji.
Yeah. Surya, please. A little introduction about yourself. I think you haven't had the chance to introduce yourself.
Yeah, I joined in late actually. Actually, I thought it was at 2 o'clock, like Jakarta, 1 o'clock. So I joined that time and then I forgot.
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah, I'm living in Jakarta and I have 2 children. I'm a housewife. I can say that. Yeah.
So 5 positive strengths about yourself. That was the question that we all were discussing.
Yeah, I joined in that.
Yeah.
I would say I'm very like a homely person.
Very nice.
Kind-hearted, you can say, and giving. Actually, like I love to give things, like in the sense that I don't hold on to things what people told about me, that I can say. And
I don't want to hear what people told about you. I want to hear what Surya thinks about Surya.
Yeah, I think yes. Yeah, I don't hold on to things if for a long time ki theek hai, chalo.
That's a nice
Giving
trait. Yes.
that nature, yeah.
Yes.
Kind-hearted, you can say.
Yes.
And what else?
And a beautiful smile.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. I think that's it. Yeah, I don't know what I would say about me.
So 3 strengths you said, right? I want you to think about yourself more. Geeta ji, about you, would you like to share?
I think almost like same as Anuja said. I think all the women, I think maybe, I don't know, share the same thing, which is like I find myself as in qualities I have is like I'm very sincere, I'm very loyal and very friendly. I'm like always ready to help anyone, or maybe if I make a friend, I kind of or anybody I would like, I can go to extent to any extent, you mean like to, or whether it's a family thing or it's a if I like somebody or I just want that person to be back loyal to me, friendly to me and sincere to me. And yes, I am very emotional as in I love my near and dear ones a lot, and I really get hurt when very close ones just do something, or I get to know something. Maybe that's I don't know, it's a strength or it's my weakness, I would say. Like I get very emotional and I keep thinking about like why that person did this to me. I was so nice to, even I am not involved in that, but it keeps coming in my mind, like why that person is behaving like this to me, or I am here sitting in Singapore, I have my family in India, why they are doing this to me, all these kind of things.
So that becomes a weakness, right? That becomes
Yeah,
a trait,
kind of.
actually. Yeah.
So then that's what my husband then comes in between. He's a very good friend of mine, and obviously Minu, sometimes I open my heart to her, so she keeps on motivating me. So you keep putting my positive thoughts in my mind, both of them, like kind of thing.
Chalo, very nice.
Saroji, I'm sorry I'm intervening.
Yeah. Yes,
Geeta
of
ji,
course.
I loved your introduction. I'm unmarried and I've hardly heard anyone introducing the husband as he's a good friend of mine.
Yes, absolutely.
Seriously, that's a beautiful introduction.
That's good.
Saroji, I would like to interrupt here. Nidhi
Yes.
has also joined little late, so maybe we can invite Nidhi also to introduce herself. Nidhi,
Absolutely, Nidhi.
Sure. Hi.
Hi.
Hello everyone. Hello Saroji.
Hello, hi Nidhi.
I am actually a working professional who just resigned 3 months back, and I'm actually enjoying the free time I'm just devoting this time to myself.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. So I'm quite enjoying this downtime. I mean, luckily or unluckily, वो lockdown पे lockdown लगे जा रहे हैं तो time भी मिल रहा है. Yeah, and obviously I live in Singapore with my family, my husband. I have 2 sons who are grown up. So like I said, I'm really investing in myself.
Oh, that's very nice to hear. So 5 qualities that you think, 5 strengths that you have. Nidhi,
The
if you could
first
switch
is-
on your video, it would be lovely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think one of the first few things that come to my mind is that I'm very disciplined when it comes to myself. अगर मुझे है कि मुझे ये करना है, I find it very hard to give up. मैं give up नहीं करती हूँ. मतलब like Meenu probably knows, we are all trying to lose weight, right? तो होता नहीं है, and I'm like, okay, बस हो गया. But 1-2 घंटे के बाद I'm back on track. मतलब I just cannot give up. तो मैं बहुत persevere. Perseverance is something I know. I persevere. I feel I'm very empathetic. अगर मेरे से कोई बात करता है, if they're sharing something with me, I am able to put myself in their shoes and feel the hurt, feel the sadness, feel the pain. So, yeah. So, and then obviously that makes me, want to do something for them. So I feel I'm blessed with a good heart, I would say.
Wow, that's very nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
And-
Generally, since I'm very loyal, I treasure loyalty. So I'm very loyal. I cannot be anything but loyal. Yeah. And I think यही सब है जो mainly दिमाग में आता है.
Very nice. Maya ji, now we go to you.
Okay, I probably am a bit more of a calm person, quite calm, and patient, maybe a bit more patient. I found my patience before. I was quite, I used to get angry quite fast and all, but I've become patient now, and also more practical. I think there's the 3 things I could think of. Yeah, so I look at everything in the practical sense.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Komal ji, a little about yourself.
Yeah, I thought I put in the chat. I'll just read it out.
Yes, please.
I'm a very sensitive person. I'm loving and caring. Then I'm committed. Then I'm disciplined. If I follow something, I believe in it. Then I will, take it to the end till I achieve my goal. And I'm a very family-oriented person.
This is one of the reasons Rajesh ji is in peace. He said he can sleep anywhere, anytime. You have to find his peace, आराम से आती है उनको, क्योंकि you are there to take care.
Yeah, Meenu ji, peace has 2 meanings.
Well said, very well said, Rajesh. Very well said. Shanti ji, अब आपके पास आते हैं.
मैं पॉजिटिव पर्सन हूँ, कुकिंग की शौकीन हूँ, पार्टी करना बहुत पसंद है, सबको मतलब अपने घर पे बुलाना या बाहर मिलना, दोस्त बनाना, और एक अगर किसी से भी दोस्ती करती हूँ या उसको जानती हूँ तो उसकी पॉजिटिव बातें सारी लेती हूँ, और पता होता है अगर मेरे से कोई 4 बार मिलता है उसके बाद मेरे से पूछेगा मैं उसकी पॉजिटिव बात बता सकती हूँ, पर नेगेटिव को समझने में टाइम लगता है.
ये तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है.
मतलब नेगेटिव लोगों को मैं जल्दी नहीं समझ पाती हूँ, मेरे को थोड़ा टाइम लगता है कि अच्छा लोग ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं क्या, और एक अगर कोई झूठ बोलता है बस तब फिर मेरे को बर्दाश्त से बाहर हो जाता है. क्योंकि मैं झूठ नहीं बोल सकती हूँ.
Very nice. Since we finished with strengths of everybody, now go back to your introductions. How did you people introduce yourself and what were the sentences that you said? Most of you said, I'm a housewife, I've got this many children, I stay here, right? right? What if you could include one or two of your positive sides into your introduction? Like, I'm Saroj Agarwal, I'm a very positive person, I'm a very friendly person, and it's nice to meet you.
Nice. मुझे अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलके.
Just think about it. Next time when you introduce yourself to somebody new, if you could introduce your strengths into your introduction, what will be the weightage of you introducing yourself as a person? लेकिन हम लोग कहाँ अटक जाते हैं? I'm a housewife, or I'm a working woman, I'm a banker, right? तो सामने वालों को आपका क्या पिक्चर मिला कि अच्छा वो बैंकर है, उनके 2 बच्चे हैं एंड वो सिंगापुर में रहते हैं, like Rajesh ji said, right? Like Komal ji said, right now she's a housewife, but she used to work beforehand. That was her introduction. So what impression it makes? Instead, if she would have said, I'm a very friendly person and I'm a very honest and disciplined person. If she could have included these 2 traits of hers in the introduction, उनका introduction कितना beautiful हो जाता, सामने वाले का impression कितना different हो जाता, right? How did I introduce myself? I did not talk about my children. I talked about where I stay, because we are having people from different cities. So that was an important part in my introduction. And I do this because I'm acting as a counselor here. So this is how we bring peace in our lives. You know, this is how we make impressions on others about who we are. हम लोग खुद को जानते ही नहीं है ना.
जी, मुझे कई बार ये भी लगता है कि जब हम अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं या जैसा भी माहौल है, when we add our own qualities, sometimes there is a barrier in our mind कि कहीं हम अपने बारे में brag कर रहे हैं.
Brag तो नहीं कर रहे. Absolutely. I agree to it.
Have a fear of being judged.
Totally agree.
Absolutely.
क्यों?
So अगर
तो आप नहीं बोलोगे तो भी लोग करते हैं ना. वो जज तो बंद नहीं कर रहे, तो अपनी अच्छाइयों को बताने में क्या नुकसान है?
क्या नुकसान है?
Let them judge by your positivity, positive thoughts. आधी से ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम हम अपने मेंटली ना अपने आप को कन्फाइन कर लेते हैं. कुछ ताले की चाबी लगा के चाबी भूल जाते हैं.
और हमारे रिमोट कंट्रोल्स हमेशा दूसरों के पास होते हैं. जब आते हैं अपना रिमोट कंट्रोल दबाते हैं, say something good and we feel so good about myself. Somebody said in their 5 strengths कि लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं, मैं ऐसी हूँ. उनका आपका रिमोट कंट्रोल उनके पास है ना. उन्होंने आपको बोला, you are getting this positive vibes कि मैं वैसी हूँ जैसा उन्होंने कहा था. Who knows you better than yourself? But we don't even try. जैसे अनुजा जी, you asked a very wonderful question. How do we make our life easier and simpler? How to make our lifestyle very easy in our heads, very peaceful. खुद को जानिए. हम लोग अपने आप को प्रायोरिटाइज नहीं करते, हम लोग अपने इमोशंस को समझते भी नहीं है. हम लोग अपनी रिमोट कंट्रोल अपने हाथ में नहीं रखते. हम लोग बहुत अच्छे से ट्रे में सजा के सर्व करते हैं कि आइए बटन दबाइए और मुझे खुश कीजिए, आइए बटन दबाइए और मुझे दुखी दीजिए, आज थोड़ी बात बोलिए जो मुझे बुरी लगे.
और ये ना सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन, खुद को समझना या खुद के लिए टाइम देना डज नॉट मीन दैट यू आर बिकमिंग सेल्फिश और
Absolutely, ऐसा नहीं है.
गिविंग सम टाइम टू योरसेल्फ, अपने आप को सोच रहे हो, पता चलेगा कई ऐसी चीजें हैं जो आपने कभी अपने बारे में रियलाइज नहीं की.
आज we did a small task
around you which were not that important for your life.
And I did a very small task with you, na, just keep 5 strengths about yourself. हम लोग अपने बारे में इतना भी नहीं सोचते कि हम क्या हैं. Who am I? Who is Saroj Agarwal? मैं किसी को लिखने दूं who is Saroj Agarwal, who is Anuja Poddar, or who is Meenu Agarwal, or who is Shanti Bhutoria, whoever is present here, what will we write? The same things that we said in our introduction. But who is that person? To keep our lives simpler, to keep our lives a little stress-free, try to remote control अपने हाथ में रखने के लिए. Just try that. For that, you need to learn how to make boundaries. For that, you need to learn how to be assertive, how to keep your feelings, how to present your feelings, whatever you are feeling, in a very positive manner to the सामने वाला person, whoever it is. Man is a social animal. हम लोग को तो सोसाइटी में रहना पसंद है, लोगों के साथ घिर के रहना पसंद है. Most of you said कि we are very polite, we are very honest, we love our relationships, we are very friendly, right? लेकिन फिर भी हम लोग उन्हीं रिलेशन से हम लोग कितना तकलीफ पाते हैं कभी कभी. Somebody said हम overthinking करते हैं, lots of things going to my mind कि इंडिया में बैठ के भी why am I feeling those thoughts? So we are letting them do that now. That is the reason for the stresses that we go through in our daily lives. Mindfulness. कई बार हम लोग सोचते भी नहीं, we are not even mindful of what is happening around us. We are not mindful of our communication कि मैंने क्या बोल दिया. Regret करेंगे तो अपने आप को explanation देंगे, अरे गुस्से में थे ना इसलिए बोल दिए, but I did not mean that. That comes 2 hours, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, days later. कि अरे हम बहुत गुस्से में थे ना. But गुस्से में थे तब हमारा mindfulness कहाँ था? These skills help us to become more easy in our lives. Understanding yourself. हमने अपने बच्चों को हमेशा सिखाया खाने से ज्यादा मजा खिलाने में है. When they were very small, my daughter is a gynec surgeon and my son is a CA/CFA and now going to Minu in Singapore for his MBA in SMU. So I've got grown up children, right? But छोटे से I've always taught them because I have learned the same thing from my parents. खाने से ज्यादा मजा खिलाने में है बेटा, लोगों दूसरों का अच्छा करो, दूसरों का ज्यादा करो, खुद को प्रायोरिटी मत दो. But since I have done this course and I've been practicing counseling from the past 5 years, I've come to realize कि खुद को prioritize करना, अगर if you start loving yourself, you can spread more love and pure love. और हम लोग खुद से तो प्यार करते नहीं और धड़ाधड़ आओ प्यार मुझसे लो, but मेरा प्यार, I'm always there for my children, I'm always there for my husband, for all my friends, I'm always there. But खुद के लिए कहाँ? So the day we start understanding our needs, the day we start understanding our wants, the day we start understanding ourselves, we will be able to lead a very happy and simple life. खुद के अंदर झांकिए, introspect yourself. It is not selfish, as Meenu very rightly said. It is not selfish. It is the new lifestyle that is coming up now.
It is when we fill our cups, we can pour it.
Absolutely. It's very important.
एक सिंपल सा थॉट आता है ना, जब आप बहुत दुखी होते हो तो बहुत कुछ आप किसी को बहुत ज्यादा खुशी नहीं दे पाते हो. When you are happy internally, you feel like doing good to others also. Spread that happiness, share your happiness and joy. So try to declutter your mind. With respect to our weight loss also, some of you might be seeing good results, some of you might be stuck at some point, some of you have not seen as per expected results. But this is a journey. Here we are not just to see कि आज ये किया कल मुझे वो नंबर देखना है. नहीं, वो नंबर अगर दिख भी गया तो क्या स्टेबिलिटी है उसकी, थोड़े दिन बाद वापस वो कम बेसी हो सकता है. But the thing is, try to figure out कि क्या चीजें हैं जो मुझे रोक रही है. सबसे पहला एस्पेक्ट इज स्ट्रेस. ट्रस्ट मी, गलत खाना सही खाना तो ठीक है, वी कैन स्टिल मैनेज, मगर स्ट्रेस को अगर हम आइडेंटिफाई ही नहीं कर पाएंगे, देन हाउ विल यू डील? A disease is better curable when it is identified.
Absolutely. And the most important thing is, if you have a healthy mind, you will certainly have a healthy body. But if you don't have a healthy mind, your body will be affected. That is why we call somatic diseases, psychosomatic diseases. आप लोग बहुत लोगों को देखे होंगे ना, बोले मेरे हाथ बहुत दुख रहे हैं, मेरे आज पैर बहुत दुख रहे हैं. But you go through certain tests and you find कि उनके तो कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. कैल्शियम, D3, B12, everything is normal. But फिर भी उनके पैर दुख रहे हैं. मेरा गर्दन बहुत दुखते हैं, मेरे शोल्डर्स बहुत पेन करते हैं, क्योंकि हमारा स्ट्रेस का कप ओवरफिल हो गया है. Our unconscious mind is filled with all the negative aspects of our life, all the grievances, all the griefs. So why not release a little? These psychosomatic diseases हम लोगों की लाइफस्टाइल डिजीजेस बन जाती हैं, डायबिटीज, शुगर्स, unless and until we are not very careful, we are not very mindful of our own health, mental health. These things affect our lives. बहुत बड़ी उम्र के बहुत हमारे मदर इन लॉज के एज के या और एल्डर्स, लास्ट जनरेशन, हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ उनके पेन, आज पैर में दर्द है तो कल पेट खराब है तो परसों सर में दर्द है, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहेगा. बट व्हेन यू गो फॉर द होल बॉडी टेस्ट, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, because they have not relieved themselves from their stresses. They've just kept storing it in, and that ends up into all these kinds of pains, aches.
So the base thing is we need to declutter ourselves. That is the first thing.
Absolutely.
Try all the means. जिससे भी reasons सबके stress के अलग हो सकते हैं. Everyone is different. Everyone may have different reasons of their being stressed or not being comfortable or not being happy or sleeplessness nights or not having sound sleep. These can be all the reasons if we club together behind if something is got stuck or obstructing your weight loss journey. Apart from certain hormonal condition. Now the stress can also trigger hormonal imbalance.
Absolutely. There are 3 ways to do it, to get loose of stress. First, find the triggers. जब भी आप अगर एक stress mode में, if you're feeling low and you don't understand why am I feeling low today, find out the trigger. What was the triggering point? Then understand this. कि can I control it? Is that trigger in my control? अगर वो situation आपके कंट्रोल में ही नहीं है तो माइंड में लेके कोई फायदा नहीं है. It is out of your control. You can do nothing about it, right? If that situation is in your control, then be realistic about it, how to solve it. अगर वो solve हो सकती है तो उसको solve कर लीजिए. अगर वो solve नहीं हो सकती है तो just let it go. लेकिन उसको माइंड में लेके मत रहे. That is one technique that I can teach you कि जब भी stress हो, just understand, was this situation in my control or was it not in my control? अगर आपके कंट्रोल में है तो naturally you can do something about it and cure that situation and get out of that stress. And if it is not in your control, तो stress करके ही क्या फायदा है?
Saroji, can you also briefly explain us जो कुछ exercise का कुछ आपने de-stress
Oh
करने
yes. I would like everybody to sit straight with their legs as in a chair position, right? And we will take our awareness to our toes. ठीक है? I'm sorry, I can't show it. You're sitting in a chair position. आपके पैर लटके हुए हैं ना?
पैर जमीन पर टच करने चाहिए. पैर should be touching the floor.
नहीं, पैर थोड़ा सा आगे हवा में स्विंग करके रखिए. ठीक है? Start with your left leg. ठीक है? And take your awareness to the tip of your toes. And just relax. आँख बंद करके just relax.
Your toes. Just think about your toes.
Take your awareness. Yes. Be mindful of your toes and just relax the muscles of your toes. एकदम gently relax it. Then go up to the ankle of the same length. Relax that ankle. Then go up to the calf, the shank. Relax that muscle. Go up to the knee. Relax your knee. Thigh. Relax. Hips. Left hip. Relax. Now go to the other leg. Start from the toe. And एक एक करके सब muscles को धीरे धीरे let it loose, absolutely loose. And relax. Toes, ankle, shank, knee, thigh, hips. Then come to your lower abdomen. The back side of the lower abdomen. Just relax. Relax your tailbone. Relax your anal muscles. Then come to the front part of your lower abdomen and relax your lower abdomen. Ekdam let it loose. Let all the muscles of your lower abdomen loose. Then come up to the chest. Loosen your shoulders. Loosen your chest muscles. Come to your shoulders. Go to your hands. Loosen your arms. Loosen the muscle of your elbows, the wrist, and all the fingers. The same with the other hand. Loosen all the muscles. Then bring your awareness to your neck. Just loosen your spine, your medulla, and your eyes, your forehead. And stay in this position for a minute. Let the whole body loose. Calm yourself. Let the thoughts come in. The thoughts will come in, the thoughts will flow away. Let them come in, let them go away. And open your eyes very slowly. अनुजा जी को नींद भी आने लगी. So I did it in a little speed up manner because we are over time, but you should do this a little slowly. Start with the tip of your toes, go up to the lower, just go up your body to your arms and finally to your head and brain, and keep your calm there. Whenever you get into a stress situation, whenever you start getting those angry bouts, just do this exercise and it is going to relieve you immediately. I hope you people could feel the relief.
Yes, absolutely. If done with
Feeling much lighter.
Yes, absolutely. If it is done with feeling all alone, एक कमरे में बंद होके, it affects much. अभी तो हम पीछे से बर कर रहे थे. So that just do it on your own. You will feel a lot of. We make people with anxiety and depression do all these exercises 4 to 6 times a day. So this helps a lot. It eases all the tensions from your muscles and your physical body.
This is very similar to what we do in yoga in the Shavasana position.
Absolutely, absolutely. Yog Nidra.
Yes.
Yes, it is absolutely. देखो वेस्टर्न में हम लोग साइकोलॉजी और काउंसलिंग बोलते हैं, बट सब तो हम लोग के स्क्रिप्चर्स से ली गई है. So everything is common. There are lots of things. We people have written it in our shastras, but those people have given them a form of psychology. That's all. And it's mentioned in many books that this is taken from the Indian texts. So हम लोग के शास्त्र बहुत रिच है, लेकिन हम लोग थोड़े वेस्टर्न कल्चर से ज्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस होते तो वो बातें ज्यादा समझ में आती है.
So Yog Nidra is a fantastic pose to actually release all your stress. But हम उसको पूरी तरह से ध्यान नहीं देते, हमें लगता है कि सिर्फ लेट जाने से हो जाता है. It's not only lying down, rather releasing all your muscles from toe to tip of your head.
And actually it is seeing yourself from your own eyes, from the bottom of your body to the top of your body. Yog Nidra is a little deeper. These muscle relaxations are a little chota process. Yog Nidra takes around 20 to 25 minutes to do. So,
and I think the guided meditation, even in the sound bowl meditation, after a 45-minute class, you feel as if you slept for 3 hours.
Yes. Even Yog Nidra, when we used to practice Yog Nidra in our yoga classes, many people used to go off to sleep during those Yog Nidra. It relaxes your mind so beautifully.
Yes.
So even we being influenced, I'm practicing counseling from the last 5 to 6 years, but I teach Yog Nidra to so many people who are facing sleeplessness issues. कि आप ये practice करो and you will sleep. Roots तो हिंदू ही है ना, Indians ही है ना हम लोग.
Is there any, I mean to say, recording of this Yog Nidra?
Yeah, absolutely. You just type Yog Nidra and you get lots of things.
Available on YouTube. There are many
videos. Many videos.
Just you need to practice that with peace and calmness. It should not be a loud environment wherein you are not able to focus. That's the whole thing.
This progressive muscle relaxations that I taught you, it is called Jacob's progressive muscle relaxations, that we call JPMR in short. So even this is, you can do lying down also. It depends upon however ways you want to do it. Some people like to do it sitting in a sitting pose. Some people like doing in a lying pose. So you can practice this whenever it will help. So any more
And
questions?
if you don't feel sleepy, please practice this. I am sure you will fall asleep.
Absolutely. It relaxes your mind tremendously. बहुत help करता है.
I can see Sanjana has also joined. Any questions, anybody? Please feel free. Otherwise, we will be wrapping our session. It's almost time. It's time already. Kuch aur questions hai?
And since I'm with Meenu in this, Meenu can share my numbers. You people can contact me on WhatsApp also for any queries you have, and I'll be very happy to help.
Absolutely. I will share the
Yes.
number in the group so that you
Absolutely.
have access to her number anytime. You can always reach.
You have any questions, I'm already there to help you out.
And in fact, their online Man Ki Baat, that's a page, right?
Yes. It's a Facebook page, yes.
It's a Facebook page. They reach out directly to people. People can reach to them directly. कोई भी issue है उसको आराम से sort out करते हैं very peacefully.
And we keep posting posts, regarding lots of things that I talked about today, about coping strategies, about the difficulties, about different kinds of difficulties that people are going through and how to attend to them to make your lives more easier. Actually, our mission is to create awareness regarding mental health. How can people be more happier in their lives?
So I wish
So-
all the participants today, सरोजी, आपके ये इतने सारे टिप्स के बाद और इतनी सारी हमने अपने बारे में बातें की है और कई लोगों ने तो अपने बारे में जाना भी है क्योंकि खुद को 2 मिनट दिया है सोचने के लिए.
Absolutely.
So I would love all of you try this in your daily practice. At least try to improve your sleep quality. And let's see what happens and what are the hindrances you face. And do keep posted in the group so that I know where it is working and not. आप कुछ बोल रहे थे सरोजी, please carry on.
मैं सिर्फ यही बोल रही थी, जैसे आप लोगों ने अपने strengths लिखा, please write down your weaknesses also. So you will be aware कि हाँ ये मेरे में है, these are in my control, these are not in my control. So जो guilt trips हम लोग लेते हैं ना हर छोटी छोटी बात पे, we start feeling guilty for not helping somebody, we start feeling guilty for not being doing things for ourselves or somebody else. आज अच्छा खाना नहीं बना, बच्चा बोल दिया आज क्या खाना बनाए, मम्मी आज तो एकदम tasteless था, we go into this guilt trip, आज shortcut लिया ना इसलिए बच्चा ढंग से नहीं खाया. So we can stop ourselves from those छोटा छोटा बात also. This makes our lives easier. So I want you people to do just this much also. And lots of worksheets. I can share thousands of worksheets for you if you want to help yourself, introspect yourself, take a journey inwards, understand yourself from your inner child's point of view. जिस दिन आप खुद को समझने लग जाएंगे, उस दिन आप जरूर अपनी लाइफ को बहुत easy और simple बना लें. I hope you people enjoyed this session with me. Looking forward to more sessions. Meenu, I hope everybody, I would love to see a feedback.
Definitely, I would love to hear from them. The moment they will post in the group, I will share all with you, Saroji. And those, I think, if anybody has missed something, this session has been recorded and I will share in the group so that all of you have the access and you can have a recap of what the advices has been given to you and you can start working on it better. Thank you so much, Saroji, and thank you all the members for taking out your important time and being with us. Thank you so much. We will wrap up here.
Thank you, Meenu, for having me here.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you both of you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.